salah satu provinsi di Indonesia. Nusa Tenggara Timur has become one of the best destinations for tourism. In the eyes of the world. Support the locomotive drive of tourism and economic growth in East Nusa Tenggara. Located on the southern edge of Indonesia, in East Nusa Tenggara, is Pulau Rote. Pulau Rote is known for its unique traditional music instruments. The Sasando. Sasando merupakan alat musik berdawai atau musik rakyat yang sangat merdu dan memiliki roh dalam budaya dan tradisi bagi masyarakat Pulau Rote. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Konser Suara Seribu Sasando. The magical sound of Sasando for the world. The waterfront, Labuan Bajo, East Nusa Tenggara.